Okay, the L Reuter, sorry, the guys on YouTube keep saying to make your balls big or something like that. And I guess it inflates basketballs, who knows. But this is these ingredients. Everybody makes them with the pills. For some reason I was like, I'm just going to go for gums and teeth because I was actually more interested to see how to do my tissues, being XL, hypohidrotic ectodermal dysplasia and hydrotic ectodermal dysplasia. So, yeah, so I used half a bottle and a half gallon. This is going to be the cheap poor man's version. Great value, half gallon, half and half. Use about 2 cups, dissolved this half a bottle in it, and then about 4 tablespoons of pure cane turbinado sugar. Then fill the rest of in there. Set this for 24 hours and set this timer for 24, and then I'll come back and see if I need to go another 12, which I probably will. So, okay, bye for now. Oh, and it was this is heating about 103. This is a Meuller 10-in-1. It's a 6-quart pot. See if this is going to be a short.